Hello friends, welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. New Year is approaching, which means IKEA has prepared some new products for storage. Today we will look at what exactly it has in store for us. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Let's start our overview with these bamboo boxes with lids. Obviously, this is more of a decor piece than a practical storage solution, but the more I saw them in different arrangements, the more they grew on me. Note they're hand-braided and you are going to see what's stored inside. But it can be even a good thing if you use them for cords and chargers, or maybe even scarves and belts. The famous KALLAX shelf unit now has new inserts. One of them divides the cell horizontally into two sections. The other can be installed vertically. They are perfect for folders with files or magazines. As usual, IKEA has updated the design of its cardboard products, which are released annually. Let's take a look at what's new. These shelves are not available in every country yet, but I'll show them to you anyways, since my viewers come from all over the world. They are made of bamboo and steel and are available in round or rectangular shapes. The ENHET collection is remarkably interesting this season, with a wide variety of steel-made cabinets, units and shelves that are available in three colors – red, black and white. They are versatile and can be used anywhere from the kitchen to the bathroom. Look how cool! This rotating shelf can be installed on any stationary shelf if it fits. In addition to expanding the storage space in height, it will also bring a flavor to the interior. These units are not really practical in my opinion, because if there is a lot of dust in your house, it's going to take forever to clean it. But if you like them, keep an eye out for one of my next videos, where I'll share proven ways to reduce dust in your home. So please subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss this video. People who are subscribed to my channel have already seen this daybed more than once in my videos. It can be a double or a single bed, depending on your preference. But what to do with the second mattress if you don't want to build a fort? Here's what I found. A mattress drawer that you can also use to store bedding. I haven't decided if I need one yet. Please comment below to let me know if it's worth to get the drawer, or if you think it looks better without it. A shelf with hooks is now available for wall storage. Besides hooks, it also has a surface on top that you can use to keep or arrange a few items. Thanks to the protective bar, nothing will fall off easily. These cute boxes are another novelty. Just so you know, they are hand-braided with seagrass and come in a set of two. One box is larger and the other one is smaller. The sizes will fit on any shelf or any drawer and are perfect for small things that are easy to lose. IKEA now offers cleaning gloves made of natural latex. The material feels durable and reliable. They come in different colors, but this is the most common one. I'm not going to talk a lot about them, so let's move on. Look at these cute tea infusers. They hang on the edge of a mug and theoretically speaking you don't even need to remove it while drinking tea, especially if you like your tea strong. Here are the new baskets with lids that have a signature turquoise color. They are also entirely made of bamboo, even the lids, and are great for storing small items. Sokka pot is also new. It's great for indoor and outdoor use, and I am sure that you can figure out what to use it for on your own. I am really digging these bamboo baskets with braided jute handles. With a classic shape and a trendy color, they will decorate any interior. Another novelty is an ANILINARE desk organizer made of bamboo and steel. Its handle makes it easy to carry around when needed. And of course, it's good for keeping many things such as cosmetics, bathroom bottles, kitchen spices, pencil and markers. Moving on to the new metal boxes from the ANILINARE collection. They are sold as a two-piece set which includes one large size and one small size box. If any of you prefer to keep things in metal containers, then this would be great for storing makeup, jewelry and accessories. The collection also includes a pencil case that is not just for pencils. You can keep all kinds of small things in it. These tins with screw lids can hold a bunch of small stuff, and you can place them anywhere you want to, in a room, a kitchen or in a bathroom. Speaking of the kitchen, check out this cool idea. You can mount these tins on a magnetic strip directly on the wall or onto a cabinet door. Although these are made of cardboard, I put it in a separate category because they are meant for a wardrobe. For example, this box has an interesting shape. If you place it with its lower side forward, you can quickly find what you need. But if you turn it around, then all the contents will be hidden. I did not find good examples in the store, however, if you go onto the website, you can see a variety of ways to use it. And here is a cardboard jewelry box with soft velvet on the inside. The thing I like about it is that the compartments can be adjusted. If you are in the market for a case for sunglasses or jewelry, this might be a good option. And this is a shoebox. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let's go back to these boxes. They look nice and will decorate your interior areas. The well-known boxes with a hard-to-pronounce name UPPRYMD now come in new color. You might have seen similar boxes of a different hue at my home. I have been using them for children's clothes for a few years now and genuinely recommend them. They are truly practical, especially due to their handles and see-through mesh windows. These clear glass bottles will keep beverages and other products fresh for longer periods thanks to their tight-fitting stoppers. This small bottle is great for storing olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce and even cream for the table setting. They come in different sizes, but this particular size is new. The version with a green pattern is now also available. We have been familiar with the organizers from STUK collection for many years, and now they released it in a light turquoise, which is a new color that we've already mentioned today. Here we have boxes with compartments, capacious open cases and bags that protect clothes from dust. By the way, some of the items come in a neutral white color that is also new this season. I am only showing a select few items in this video that help to keep things in order. There are many more available than what we have discussed here. It is worth mentioning that some of the products are available in every country and some are not. So it's possible that you'll find slightly different selection at your local IKEA. But if there is no IKEA where you live at all, don't be discouraged. A lot of manufacturers produce similar things nowadays. You just have to look for it, and you'll definitely find something close enough, at least in terms of functionality. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!